Akshaya Financial Services, AFS. How to make partial withdrawal from your EPF account. The Employees Provident Fund Organization, EPFO, allows partial withdrawals for marriage, education, medical emergencies, home loan repayment, purchase or renovation of a house, etc. The Employees Provident Fund, EPF, acts as a safety net for retirement for most in the organized sector. However, you can withdraw sums even before retirement for specified needs. But, there are certain rules for partial withdrawals that you must be aware of before making claims. You can withdraw from Provident Fund account by submitting an online application or using a physical form at your local EPFO office. For partial withdrawals, you will need to submit a self-attested form. You can submit a Provident Fund withdrawal application online through the EPF portal. To apply online, your Universal Account Number, UAN, should be activated and linked to your Aadhaar, Permanent Account Number, PAN, or bank account. Akshaya Financial Services, AFS, avails services of LIC, health insurance, general insurance, personal accident policy, tax saving plans, car insurance, group health insurance, group personal accident policy, mutual fund, home loans. Subscribe our channel to get regular updates. Need any other information, leave your comment. Thank you.